Hi, how you doing? This side, I'm back with another video, and in this video we're going to talk about a proven tactic for earning passive affiliate commissions by writing product reviews. So if you ever wanted the opportunity to earn passive income from your affiliate marketing efforts, then today I'm going to talk about one of the most proven strategies for earning passive affiliate commissions with product reviews. Okay, so when you look around online, product reviews are everywhere, right? From blogs, forums, to online retail stores such as Amazon and e-com stores. So when it comes to buying products, we as consumers value genuine product reviews as it informs us, educates us, and generally helps us decide, make an informed decision whether to buy a product or not. Right. So therefore, product reviews also enable you to, an opportunity to provide value to your audience before they make a decision. Okay, buying decision, and hopefully buy from you by reading your review. So let's look at the benefits and advantages of product reviews. Okay, so writing a product review allows you to share your thoughts and opinions, experiences of the product itself, all of which can benefit and help your audience. Okay, you create an opportunity to reach new audiences. Your audiences get to know you, like you, and trust you more. And we know these three factors are very important when making affiliate commissions, because people, of course, before they buy anything, it's all about people to people business when it comes to affiliate marketing, online business, and online purchases. People want to know you, like you, and trust you more before they can buy something from you. Various studies have also found that over 80% of consumers read and trust information from reviews. Okay, so possibility of free organic traffic as well, leads and sales, as search engines can index your review and display your review in search results, subject to your review being of good quality and adhering to good SEO practices. You can build credibility and trust, as your audience will get to hear your honest thoughts and opinions on the products that you review, as opposed to just reading a sales page, where of course the sales page will consist information trying to sell the product. Okay, so tips on writing affiliate product reviews. Okay, so first of all, use the product yourself so that you get to learn more about the product and you can write about it in a better way. Okay, because you know about the product, you experience it yourself, and therefore you can write about it. Okay, demonstrate the product if possible using pictures and videos online. Okay, if possible, you can, when you're using the product, you can in your review include pictures and videos of the product you're using. Okay, for example, one product I recently reviewed was an online training program, and I actually showed that I've actually purchased the product, because a lot of people write reviews, they don't purchase it. So it's really recommended that you actually purchase the product and use the product yourself. Okay, so yeah, write in a conversational way, because remember, your audience are reading your thoughts and opinions and not from a sales page, a salesperson or a product owner. Okay, so that of course creates trust as well, because you're writing your honest opinion and thoughts about the product, so they can get to see that as well. Okay, be honest, authentic, and truthful about everything. Okay, so being authentic, honest, and truthful is key to succeeding in your affiliate marketing business and literally everything in life. And it's of course part of being a great human being. And why would you not want to be honest, authentic and truthful? Okay, so when it comes to affiliate marketing and whatever you practice activity that you do in your affiliate marketing, you have to always be honest, authentic, and truthful. Okay, so on the topic of honesty, you have to be transparent as well. And transparency in terms of the reviews, you should also state that if you're an affiliate of the product. Okay, it's also an FTC requirement to disclose your affiliate links. Okay, if you're promoting any affiliate products, and you should disclose that on your review as well. I usually have a message at the top of the page with this information, so people are aware from the start that I may earn a commission from any links mentioned in the page, i.e. the affiliate links. So write about the benefits and drawbacks, because your audience will want to know about all these things. Okay, as it will help in building the trust between you and your audience. And plus, of course, the important thing is that they get to know what the product is, the features, the benefits, the disadvantages of the product, that will help them more make an informed decision whether to buy or not. By writing about the disadvantages, also be certain to definitely write about disadvantages and drawbacks and the cons of the product, because it can help reduce refund rates and attract the right kind of people who are likely to buy, and repel the people who could have bought and refunded based on the drawbacks, and thus it reduces the chances of refunds, because those people, when they see the drawbacks and this one, they won't buy. So you've reduced that chance of someone refunding, okay, because they won't buy in the first place. Try to have a photo of your face at the start or top review, ideally, or even at the end or somewhere in the review, ideally at the start, as it can help build trust, because your audience will see that you're a real person reviewing the product, okay. In the end of the review, give your overall verdict and recommendation, and really state that if they should buy or not buy the product, followed by a call to action, which would be, of course, your affiliate link, okay. Include testimonials and mini reviews of other people. So if it's a popular product, you can usually find them on YouTube and embed it on your site for free, and legally and ethically is fine, okay, because YouTube allows you to share videos. Have an FAQ section and answer some common questions that people may have, such as product guarantee, compatibility, etc. Include bonuses. This is a big one, okay. If you're recommending the product on the review as an affiliate, which a lot of times is the case, then adding high quality bonuses can be a huge conversion booster, okay. If you have bonuses, make sure the bonuses are relevant to the product, okay, that maybe they'll enhance the product of product use, improve the use of the product. So for example, if something's missing in the drawbacks that you've mentioned in the review, maybe you can add it as a bonus that will help sort that problem out, the drawback out, okay. So it's important to have relevant bonuses that will improve the experience of the using the product. Even better is if you can have bonuses that will exceed the value of the product that they're purchasing, and that's a big one. If you can do that, if you can manage to pull that one off, and that's great, because they're going to buy the bonuses. They're going to think that, look, I'm buying it based on the bonuses alone, because bonuses alone exceed the value of the product itself. So that would be great as well if you can do that. So of course, include the details of your products, the bonuses that you're including if they do go through your link, okay. So that's a big one. So if you do include bonuses, maybe when it comes to the call to action, what you can do is you can link them to your another page, which will of course include your bonuses, and then from there, like a bridge page, for example, okay, and then from there you can go straight to the affiliate link, okay. So that's that. So yeah, once you've written your review, you can simply publish and promote your review to multiple mediums online, okay. To start with, your own website first, because your own website, of course, your home on the internet is the main place that you want to start with, publishing your review, and you can then repurpose that and publish it to other platforms such as Facebook and forums, etc. Okay, and if you want to also do YouTube, you can do YouTube by simply creating a video from the review as well, okay. So if you're not comfortable with YouTube video, you can simply just like what I'm doing, just from the blog post itself, you can simply read out the review, and just record it using the screen recorder, and that will be your review, a video review of the product, okay. So now that you've had your product review online, you have opened up new opportunities, more opportunities for people to discover you and get exposed to your affiliate products, and you've opened up another access point, for people to learn about you and your products on the internet, okay. So your review will now be online 24/7, 365 days a year, and potentially generate impressive traffic, leads, and commissions, affiliate commissions online for you as people read your reviews and buy from your recommendations, okay. So there you have it. A product review is a powerful and proven strategy to boost your affiliate commissions. Therefore, you should seriously consider writing product reviews for your affiliate products in order to generate more traffic, leads, and sales, as it's definitely an income producing activity in your affiliate marketing business, okay. So if you want to see a live example of a review that I did about an affiliate marketing training course, you can check it out. I'll put a link in the YouTube description below. I'll also put a link of this particular review in written form,